How to enter a promo code on Roblox Mobile. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. For that you are going to have to first go ahead and open up your Roblox, and once you open it up, make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, you land on your homepage on Roblox. Now all you have to do here is simply tap on the more icon at the bottom right, scroll down until you find the help section. Go ahead and click on help and safety. Click on help again. Now here on the help section, you'll have an option to search for an article. So simply go ahead and search for this keyword redeem, and then tap on it and hit search. Once you have done that, click on this first result, how to redeem and spend your gift. Click on this link. That's going to open this. Now go ahead and click on the first link you see, roblox.com/redeem, this on the blue. Tap on this link right here and it's going to take you to the redeem page. You don't even have to open up your browser. Roblox is going to open it on the web. So what you can do is open up your web browser and go to a new tab here. You can simply search for roblox.com/redeem. Once you've searched for this URL, hit enter and you'll land on this page. You will be asked to log in, and after logging in, here you'll get the empty field to enter your code. So you can enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code route down below. And by redeeming the code, you represent that you and your parent or legal guardian, if you're under age of 18, agree to the terms and conditions of Roblox. Once you have entered the code, your gray box will light up, and then you can just press on this, and if the code is valid, you should be able to redeem the code. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.